Today, I want us to discuss the reason why your business should be doing emails. Now, it's very, very simple. Now, let's compare email marketing to social media marketing. Now, with social media marketing, you are able to reach a lot of people most of the time easily without any special effort because the algorithm can just pick your post and blast it to a lot of people and you can just go viral. By going viral, it's not a strategy. I've said this before. Going viral can never be a strategy that you will depend on because you don't know when the algorithm is going to pick your post to blast it to so many people. And you don't know what exactly you have to post. You might think that you post this today, will go viral tomorrow. You're going to post something similar. It won't work. I've tried it before in my 13 years of doing online marketing. It doesn't work. So going viral is not a strategy that you should depend on. Now, with that put on the side, when you're consistently posting on social media, you are likely to get people to discover your brand, discover your product, discover what you're selling so they can start buying from you. They can start engaging with you, falling in love with your brand and stuff like that. But the thing with social media is that on social media, as you're growing your following, as you're investing time and money into growing your social media page, at the end of the day, you don't own the database. You don't own the content you're putting on the platform. You don't own the people who are following and liking you and all of that. So tomorrow, let's say you have about 100,000 or 10,000 followers on your business page on social media. Be it X or Twitter, be it Facebook or Instagram, be it LinkedIn or YouTube, you don't have any direct control over these people. Now, this is why if you're doing a promotion now, maybe you have a new product feature you want people to know, maybe there's some seasonal promotion coming and you're doing a promotion, you want to give your customers and your followers some huge discount. You want them to come and buy, you want some sales coming in. When you post this image or this advertisement or promo on social media, you're not guaranteed that 100% of these people are going to see it. Because on social media, the reach is less than 5%. That means if you have 100 people on your page, when you post something, less than 5 people will see it. That is very, very serious. So many businesses, so many brands invest so much money to grow their social media, hiring people to grow, manage their social media, post content every day, take pictures, do videos and stuff like that. All of that is great. But if that is your only marketing strategy, or if that is your biggest marketing strategy, then you are not safe. Because a day will come where the platform owners will say you're not playing according to our rules. So that's it. We don't want to work with you before. Meanwhile, if you spend that same amount of money to build your email database, you are going to get potential customers and customers who are going to be with you forever. And anytime you want to send any communication to them, it's going to go directly to them. Now think about it. On social media, when you post the same thing, you're going to get about less than 3% of them getting the message, commenting or engaging on it. But with email, the moment you send it out, within seconds, about 99% of the time, everyone will receive your communication. And if you write it very well, they are going to respond to you. Now imagine you're doing a promotion and you have a database of 100,000 people. And you have a Facebook page of 100,000 people or 100,000 followers, on Instagram page of 100,000 followers, and you post something on all of these platforms. On Instagram and Facebook, it's likely that you get about 100 likes and people commenting on it. All of these people might just see it. But with email, it goes straight to their inboxes. And you might think that people don't open their emails. That's one thing that you need to pay attention to, because everyone today has an email address. Everyone has an email address. And the comparison is that the investment you do on email or with email and on social media is 1 to 4. That means that if you invest $1 into email, you're going to get $4 out of it. Meanwhile, if you invest $1 into social media, it's not so clear what exactly the return on investment is. So if you are a business, if you're a business owner, you're a marketer, you're a CEO, and you're not leveraging email, you're actually losing out, because all your customers, all your potential customers, they all have emails. Think about it. Everyone has everyone has a mobile phone, everyone has a smartphone, and everyone used an email to set it up. So we are all receiving emails every day. Now, there's one exciting thing, one interesting thing that I found out, that all these big companies, They all do marketing. Now think of Amazon. Amazon uses YouTube to advertise. Facebook uses YouTube to advertise. Amazon uses Facebook to advertise. YouTube, it happens like that. YouTube advertises on Facebook. Facebook advertises on Amazon. All of these big companies are advertising. They are making the money and they are still advertising. But there's one thing that is very common with them. They all do emails. All big and successful businesses have email marketing as the core of their marketing strategy. So if you're not doing emails in your marketing, then you're actually missing out big time. And this is the time for you to start implementing it. I can walk you through the exact process that you need to get customers, to build your email database of potential customers who haven't bought from you yet, so that you can start sending them communication, maybe once in a week or maybe 3 times in a week. Start sending them messages, content that they will be interested in it, so they start asking you questions, start responding to you. And over time, when you think of selling anything to them, it becomes so easy. You get to reach, if not 100%, 99 of the people. I'm not saying social media is not good, but social media at the end of the day, it's not your thing. It doesn't belong to you. But if you build your email database, you have full control. You are able to communicate with all of these people. You're able to reach them at any point in time without any extra cost, or the cost will be very, very minimal. So think about it. Email, social media, where would you want to be? Send me messages. Let's discuss this.